Hello, I'm in a 2017 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your interface. So first you want to start your vehicle, and then you make sure your phone's turned on, and also make sure your Bluetooth settings are on. So this symbol here is for that. We'll do a pair new device, and then from your screen here, we'll do select device, we'll add, and then we're going to look for something that resembles that for your available devices. It might take a few moments. Sometimes it's glitches, you might have to restart your phone or restart the process, but it's pairing, and then you should see it update here on the interface in just a moment. And that's it. I'm now going to be connected here, and sometimes too there's a limit in vehicles for how many phones can be connected, so you might have to also go through and delete. So yeah, like I said, somebody's got to redo it. So it bumped me out, so it's pairing now. And then you can make sure you're in the ad. And then, yep, so sometimes they'll prompt you for something like this. Yeah, confirm. Now it's successful. And you'll see it here connected, so you can do your phone calls, music, things like that. Here, if you want your contacts listed and all that in here. And then, yeah, the process too, if say you need to delete a device, you just click whichever, and then you can disconnect and all that kind of stuff. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.